Welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, where all this month I'm sharing easy and tasty recipes for your summer get-togethers. I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot brown sugar baked beans that are sweet, smoky, and satisfying. They're perfect for picnics, potlucks, or barbecues. And the best part is you can make them ahead of time and reheat them when you're ready to serve. So let's get started. Okay, in our electric pressure cooker, we want to set it to saute and let it warm up. Now that it's hot, I've got 6 slices of thick bacon that I've cut into about 1-inch pieces. We're going to add that. And we want to cook this down until it's crisp, but not burnt. You want to make sure you keep stirring it every once in a while because it will tend to stick, and you don't want it to stick because then you're going to get that burn notice. But now we're going to take it out, set it aside, let it drain while we do some of our other ingredients. Okay, now with the grease that's left in the pot, we're going to add 1 finely diced yellow onion. Let it saute for just a minute. Okay, when they're just translucent, we're going to turn off the Instant Pot and we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. Got 3 cans of drained and rinsed white beans. You can use a combination of beans if you want. You can use black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, all or a combination. I have 3/4 of a cup of water, half a cup of ketchup. I have a half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. I have a half a cup of brown sugar. And I need a tablespoon and a half of yellow mustard. I'm just going to eyeball it. About a tablespoon and a half. And now you just want to stir it all together. Going to add back in our bacon. And now we'll close up our pot. Lock it in place. Set it to seal. If you have a manual button, you want to hit manual. We want it high pressure, and we want to set it for 9 minutes. Once it comes up to pressure and the 9 minutes is finished, go ahead and let it count down for another 10 minutes. Then we're going to release the pressure, and you're all set.
A few moments later.
Now that we've counted up to 10 minutes for natural release, go ahead and release any additional steam. And when you hear your bobber valve drop, you can go ahead and open your top away from you. As they cool a little bit, the liquid will thicken, and you can serve them right away, or you can refrigerate them for 2 or 3 days ahead even. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these Instant Pot brown sugar baked beans as much as I did. They're so delicious and comforting, and they go well with any grilled meat or veggie. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more summer get-together recipes. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. The recipe as well as the link to print it out are just below the like button. And until next time, have fun in the kitchen.